Boom, ba. Hello, everybody. How are you? Can everybody hear me? Hello, hello. Oopsie. There you go. Much better. Hello, everybody. How are you? Can everybody? Yep, everybody can hear me, so we're good. How are you guys? I do have a couple of. We are 9 minutes away till the open, right? So there's a couple of things that I want to do here, and I think I'm gonna trade the pound at the open. The pound, 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 pound. So this is what I'm gonna do at the open. I'm fine, thank you. Good night, man. Hello. Hello, Barram. Hello, RD. Hello, Akbono. So here's the thing, go. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. So this is an unsecured high. This is just liquidity, right? We're going to trade that liquidity grab at the London Open. Yup. Liquidity. And this is the 50-minute shit. I have to look at the 5-minute. There you go. Much better. Much better. Now, what I'm going to trade is this one. This area of freaking supply. This supply zone right here. This is the one that I'm looking to trade. Supply. Now let's look at those power. Here, this is the one. This is the order block, right? That I want to trade. Let's have a look at some. Actually, I'm gonna look at some power sell zones. Yep, right there, right there. So I'm gonna trade. We do have a fair value gap to here too. I'm gonna show you that fair value gap to. So we have an imbalance also here by supply, and here is that fair value gap to imbalance. All right. So here we go. That's the position, baby. Actually, yep, that's what I want to trade. This is what I want to trade. All right, so let's have a look at the 7-minute chart here on the other hand. The protected, here's the imbalance I want to trade, so I am going to put on a sell limit here 121 or 43. Hold on, let me just take off my my hoodie. Just a second. Ooh. I'm going to take my hoodie off. Right, so this is what I want to trade. I am going to be placing that sell order right now on the pound USD. Gold. Yeah. Gold, I was looking for new lows and to trade this. I'm gonna go through gold later, mates. But given the fact that we are this, I'm gonna delete this. I might hunt for gold shorts actually, but hold on. I have to send this to my VIPs. So GBP USD. The GBP USD. Where are you? There you go. There you go. Time frame, 5 minutes. Yep. So I'm gonna trade the low of the imbalance here at 121.43, and the stop loss was above the highs at 121.65. 121.43, 121.65, and I'm gonna risk 0.6%. Yep, gorgeous. Thing of beauty. So this is the trade. A short position here. Boom, boom. Just as price takes out these highs, creates that inducement, and we're going to take that 4.5 R in our favor with our targets at the lows at the 120.60. Right, so I'm gonna place that order right now. New order. It is a sell limit at the 121.43. 43. Stop loss above those highs at the 121.65. And my targets are at the 120.60. 2060. Place. There you go. I'm gonna send this to my VIPs, and I'm gonna a new VIP trade. It's a GBP USD. Sell limit at all right, 121.43. With a stop loss at the 121.65 and the 120.60 is my take profit TP 120.60 for a 4.5 R, and I'm risking 0.6%. All right, I'm gonna send this to oh boy, to the free group too. All right, Let's wait for those traps. Let's wait for those traps. Uh-huh. And I am smelling like a rose that somebody gave me. Okay. So here we go. We are 1 minute away from the open. We might get some action here in gold. Let's have a fucking minute. What's the best action to buy right now? Altcoin to buy. I got Chainlink and Matic. Hello, what time frame candlesticks are this? The GBP USD is the 5 minute chart, and gold is the 5 minute chart, but I'm going lower. All right. Listen, Camille, there's a ton of people that ask me that question about the altcoins. Let me show you something. If you don't know, uh, we have a new coin called Dash to Trade. I'm going to connect my wallet here, my MetaMask wallet. Right now, I'm going to connect it. Just to see that this is in fact my fucking MetaMask wallet. Whenever this is just oh boy, this is a free advice that I have for you guys. Whenever you put keyword passwords on your computer, always use the on-screen keyboard because that way, if you have a Trojan, they can't steal your password. FAA. Oh boy. Right, unlock. Right, that's my MetaMask account. Yeah, I don't have anything here on my MetaMask account because I had $1,000 that I bought. Listen, and this is the thing, right? Whenever I sent this Ethereum to my MetaMask account, it was worth $1,000. If I had held those Ethereum coins throughout this, my Ethereum would have lost 1/4 of its value, but because I used it to buy Dash to Trade, those $1,000 are worth more now. Are worth way more. Connect wallet, yes, MetaMask. Let's have a look at this. Yep, there you go. Now trigger me in, baby, right here. Just waiting for that move to the upside. The liquidity has been or is about to get or no those highs, weak sellers in the market just got stopped out. Now I'm going to wait for that imbalance to get hit and for me to fill me in. Now that's what I want to see. Let's have a look. I want to connect my wallet. Maybe if I just do this. Yes, my wallet has been connected, right? And now you can see here that I've purchased 19,500 Dash to Trade tokens. First CXC launch will go live on Wednesday, 11th March, January 2023. This is going to be a boost for this coin, right? And this is where you want to be, right? You want to buy those coins, right? Now the reason is because also what's behind of this. This is the dash to trade, you know, dash to trade dashboard, and this is where, or this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard that is going to give you all the analytics that you want to find the best coins to purchase or to add to your portfolio. Right now, you have to go from site to site, right, to get all this information, and now you're going to have it in one single place. Right now, you're going to, and the thing about this is that if you buy the coin now, the pre-sale is ending in 15 days. So there you go. If if you don't buy this right now, or if you buy this right now on January 11th that it launches, you're going to be in profits. More so because when we launch the dashboard, everybody's going to want to use it, and the only way that you are going to be able to use it is if you purchase dash to trade coins. So that also is going to bring a ton of a ton of new buyers into the token. That is going to give it that big boost. Right, so waiting for this pound USD to get to trigger me in. This is a hot one market. Let's have a look at some more markets that we want to trade. Very, I mean, is it the London open yet? If not, we're going to wait. Now it's 8. Yeah, I mean, the market just opened. Well, it doesn't matter. This is my trade in the pound USD. Any questions about the Dash to Trade token or anything else, guys? Just feel free to ask. There is also something that... hello, Dr. Kluger. There is also, what? I'm gonna show you actually. There you go. There is this offer that we have running right now. You can use the code Christmas50 to get a 50% discount for the 4 course and 1 month subscription. Christmas 40 is a 40% discount for the 3 months. Christmas 30 is a 30% discount for the 6 months, and a Christmas 20 is a 20% discount for the lifetime subscription. Now, my advice is to use at least one of these codes, because at the end of the month we are going to choose three persons that use these codes to give them a lifetime subscription for free. So there you go. Christmas 50 to get 50% discount. Actually, I am going to just copy paste this to the chat. Copy, paste. Oh boy, I can't do that. Let me see. What the hell happened here? All right, I'm gonna do one by one. I'm gonna do one by one. Control copy. Boom. So don't forget that the Dash to Trade token is still very much live. Don't forget about that. Apparently I can't. Right, Dr. Johnson, I got a feeling that today we're going to make money. I got a feeling too, baby. I got that feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. All right, so let's move on from the pound USD. Just waiting for that to brew. Talking about the pound US dollar. Let's go to the 1 minute chart on the pound USD. I'm sorry, to the, just a second, to the 3-minute chart to the pound USD, right? So this is what I want to see. This is what I want to see happen. Where's that imbalance on the 3-minute chart? Let me see. Was that imbalance hit or not? No, it hasn't been hit. That imbalance hasn't been hit. So here we go. On the 3-minute chart, guys. On the 3-minute chart, I made a little mistake because the actual supply zone is this. But we do have that imbalance here. And this is where I want to get filled, right? Right, so this is the thing, okay? I put my sell stops right here at the beginning of that imbalance, right? And if you notice, price hit my power sell zone. It hit my power sell zone. But this might also be just sell side liquidity, right, at the open. You know, let's see, and this is absolutely not it. Right here. Let me show you. Let me show you one little thing, right? With this entry model, you have to stay true to your entry model, guys. You need to stay true to that entry model because, hold on. Here would be that break of structural this liquidity for the time being, right? With this entry model, you have to stay true to your entry model, right? Because we're playing here with you know, the long-term game, in the sense that if we start, you know, taking this trade right here, let's imagine I put on a sell at market right now because I feel that I'm not gonna get triggered because price already, you know, moved through those previous highs, eliminating that liquidity. So I take a sell here, right at market. Now my risk to reward on this trade is just 1.68. Why? Because my stop losses have to be at the top, right, to respect the entry model. And if I move my stop losses here, now the probability of success of this trade is less than 40%, right? So you have to stay true to your entry models using this particular entry model. You have to stay true, and sometimes it will take a few a few moves, right, to trigger you in. But if you get triggered in, the probability of success of this particular entry model is quite high. Now, I also could have put on a very tight stop loss here for a 19R, but that's one thing that I don't do, right? I'm not gonna do that. And I use 0.6% risk because guys, if I might get triggered in here, right, at the imbalance, but then price can come here and mitigate that supply zone. And if it does, then I'm going to add here another short to make my trade a full 1% risk. That is my entire entry model. This is how I trade. That's why I never put a full 1% risk on my trades. Shit, I should have recorded that. I'm gonna record that. All right, so hold on. Can you please repeat the GBP sell order again? Want to make sure I have it right. Sure, mate. The GBP USD sell order is a sell limit at 121.43 with stop losses at 121.65 and with a take profit at the 120.60. Now I'm going to repeat what I just said to record the video for my VIPs, so pay attention, right? I'm just going to what I'm going to do, I don't know. Yeah, fuck it, I'll be fine. Hello everybody and welcome again to another day trading with the team. I'm gonna go through this pound US dollar shorts that I have inside. So basically what I'm looking at here was first of all a sweep of these highs, you know, a liquidity sweep to trigger me in at this imbalance right here, right? Now, price hit my power sell zone, but this is not the reason that I'm going to enter, right? Because we do have some upside to get mitigated also. And these highs can and will be just another liquidity high waiting to get swept. Now, the reason that I took, the reason that I took a 0.6% is this, right? Because I don't know, and no one can fucking know if price is going to break with this and come mitigate this supply area. Now, if price does this, right, breaks here and comes mitigate this supply zone, then here is where I will add another sell order, and another sell order right here to make this a full 1% trade, 1% risk trade, and I will get an 8R also out of this move. So this is my thought process on the pound USD, more so because this is not the protected high, and this was not the protected high. The protected high, as you already know, is this one right here. The high probability high to take a short out of is that one. Right, so I just recorded the shit out of that. Cool, any questions, guys, before I move forward? Dash to trade. I'm just gonna send this to my VIPs. Right. Where in the hell is this? Right, I'm gonna send this to my VIPs and to the free group also. Booyah. So everybody looking forward for this Christmas holiday or not? Oh, there you go. Liquidity, just getting swept. Now let's see how much we're about to get triggered on this GBP USD shorts. Got triggered GBP USD short. Thing of beauty. This is a big move. Yeah, this is an oatmeal cookie that I'm eating. All right. There you go. Currently in profits. But that's fine. Now that I got triggered GBP USD short, guys, I'm just going to put on an alert at around the 121.55. Just so it alerts me. It alerts me to get in on another trade here, right? 13 or so, whatever. We're going to move forward. Our USD. Let's have a look at the US dollar on the 50-minute chart. Actually, I'm going to use. Whoa, gold! Massive move to the upside in gold. Massive move to the upside in gold. Now, that's good thinking because we might get that short in gold. No, it's impossible. Yes, we actually might get that short in gold. Boy. Now, here's the thing, guys. If you have any questions, again, just please shoot me a message here. Yeah, I'm not gonna short gold. I mean, I am going to short gold, but hold on. Hear me out. Now, here's the thing. The premium, yes. So, hold on. Looking at the 3 minute chart. Here we go. We do have that order block here. Yes. This is the supply zone that I was going to look for shorts in gold, right? A little too aggressive if you ask me, guys. A little bit too aggressive if you ask me to short gold here. When it comes to gold, I like to get better. Um, I like to get confirmations, right? So this is a little bit too aggressive to short into. Also the premium here. All right, so what I want to see here is this, right? And and then when I see that inducement here above these highs, boy, above these highs, then here's where I'll take my shorts. So I need a confirmation in gold, but gold is super hot right now for shorts. Hot. And I'm going to change that. Either case, if it doesn't matter, I already missed the move, right? I already missed the possible entry here, short in gold. Here, yeah, no, it's green because I'm already in a trade. All right. So how is that pound US dollar running? Running in profits. But still, there's a lot to still get through before we make actual money trading the pound. Let's move forward, guys. Let's look at the Footsie. Remember, the Footsie is another one that we trade. We missed that short move, that bullish move on the Footsie at the open. Yeah, we missed that one. That was a good one. So, this is another entry model, guys. This is a very, 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 very cool entry model. On the Footsie, this is actually a good example of what I do, right? This is a good example of what I do. Now, this entry model on the Footsie is pretty simple, and mostly it will work on the Footsie because of what I'm about to tell you. Just listen to me, right? This works on the Footsie because what I trade here is, the inducement out of the Asian lows or Asian highs. It doesn't matter. In this case, it would have been the Asian shit. You remember that long trade that we missed? Well, look at this. It doesn't matter. Don't look in hindsight. You're going to burn your brain. So here I'm gonna talk to you guys because this is important. Let me just invite more people to the stream. All right. I'm just inviting more people. You're gonna have to wait just a second, guys. Uh-huh. All right, so ton of typos here. And inducement. be right there. I'll be right back. All right, so the message that that I just typed, it's true. I'm in this show. I'm going to give. I just decided this. In this show, I am going to give a ton of information that I might not give for free anywhere else. So you guys are very lucky to be here. You guys are pretty fucking lucky to be here because, yeah, this kind of information, I mean, first of all, I want to tell you that I didn't came up with anything. I didn't came up with anything at all. Um, this is just research. Liquidity are, it's research about liquidity, about inducements, and and this is just observation about historic price action that makes this profitable, right? So this is the Asian high and the Asian lows, right? Now, what happens here is that most of the time in markets like the Footsie, during the Asian session, we're going to have a range, right? Now, the first rule on this entry model is that the market must be trending, right? The market must be trending, right, in order to get a valid signal out of this entry model. Because if the markets are ranging, just example, if the markets were doing this, right, now this entry model doesn't make sense at all, right? Because there's no edge on a directional entry with the markets when the markets have been ranging for the past few days. But when the markets have been, in a run right like this one right here, right? Then this is where we go to assets that get hit by volume during the London Open, but are not traded during the Asian session. And this is where the Footsie comes into play, right? This is where the Footsie comes into play, right? First of all, the market should be trending. Secondly, we need a clean range during the Asian session. This is a clean range, right? Now, third, just before the London Open, well, this is the 3-minute chart. London Open was right here. At this candle right here was the London Open at 8 a.m. So we're talking about, an hour before the London Open. Just look for those liquidity spots, right? Because this is a liquidity induced entry, right? This is no longer a liquidity spot, right? It was a liquidity spot. So this is a liquidity induced entry, right? What you want to see, and this doesn't matter. What's going on here with the Footsie really doesn't matter, guys, right? Because we would already have been out of the trade. Now let's go to a 2-minute chart, right? To the 1-minute chart. I'm sorry. So the market opens here at this candle. Let me point that candle out for you guys. I think that we do have some, I don't know, arrows. Here we go. This is the freaking candle where the market opened. This one right here. Now, what you want to see is this, right? This line, this blue line below the candle on the market open is the. Actually, you know what? Whilst I do this, let me just look for a spot because I just saw a good spot here on the Footsie, guys. This might work. This might just fucking work. I just saw a spot. Hold on. I just saw a spot. I don't like it. All right. This is the spot that I just saw. This is just such a big imbalance. You know, you could take it here actually on field. Yeah, here's right. So this is the spot that I just saw. I'm gonna go through this spot because I think that I might hunt for these longs. Just a second. I might hunt for these longs, bitches. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call you bitches. I'm sorry. All right, so here's the other one. All right, the other imbalance. I'm sorry about that, guys. I was talking to myself. That's how I talk to myself when I'm training, you know. So cool. Oh boy. Well, I think I missed it. It doesn't matter. You know, coming back to that entry model, right? On the 1 minute chart, this is the candle that, of the London Open. And what you want to see is actually this, right? That liquidity just got taken out pre-London Open. So 2 minutes before the market opened, we got that liquidity grab. Now, there will be what's going to happen is this. At the open, I'm going to thicken the shit out of my chart just because I want you to look at the candles because that's what's important, right? Here, at the open, you are going to get that indecisive candle. You want this. This is what you want, right? And that's, my friends, people getting, trying to get short on the break of the previous lows and about to get trapped, and buyers taking those longs at the bottom of the Asian session after the liquidity was just swept. That is also wrong. Then you are going to want to see this. Those players getting, those players getting trapped, all of the players getting trapped. But you want to see a clean break of the Asian session, high and lows. Then you want to see a candlestick formation that incites that reversal, like this one right here. Doesn't have to be a clean formation. And here's where you take that trade. That long position is taken here at this candle, and you're going to target the Asian session highs, where you are going to get most of your position out. Well, we missed that one, didn't we? Where you are going to get most of that position out, and then I would have let this position ride about a 20%, but that's the Asian session, high low liquidity sweep, etc. Entry mada. Right. So having said that, we're going to hunt for those trades that I promised you. All right. Yeah, I mean, we did miss that one. Oh, this is beauty. Think of beauty. Gold. Gold. Oh, the pound USD running healthy in profits. Now, up 15 pips. You're all welcome for the free money. Just type in a message, guys. So this is what I do, guys. I trade the London Open The London Open is where I find most of my entries, but I'm going to start trading the New York Open and the Asian Open. I'm actually going to trade all of the sessions open starting next year. So heads up to that. It's going to be awesome. We're going to make money on everything. Every fucking thing. All right, so a pretty nice healthy trade here on the pound USD. There you go. You have to stay true to your fucking entry model. You have to stay true to your entry model, right? You have to stay true to your entry model. This is just phenomenal. Now, what I don't like about this is that that spike high above that imbalance, which is no longer an imbalance. So price might just come back and hit that, hit that. Supply zone. I'm sorry. It just might be what the doctor prescribed. Well, we don't know. No one knows, but still, no, it's not a swing trade. No, Sean Johnson, not a swing trade. I'm gonna come back. I gotta go pee, guys. I gotta go pee. Bye. I'll be right back. Yo, yo, yo. What's up? Pretty cool trade on the pound USD. I reckon everybody's happy on those 20 pips. There you go. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. This is what I do, guys. I mean, if you want to trade with me every day like this, just go ahead and subscribe. Don't be a fool, man. We have a ton oh boy, of a very good, we have a ton of. There you go. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. This very good, you know, Discount code. Don't be a fucking fool. All right. Now, I'm not gonna hold this gold. Let's have a look at the Footsie. The Footsie. Yeah, we missed that Footsie long. So, because I was, let's talk about this Footsie long that we missed. Because I wasn't prepared, guys, I was not going to take that Footsie long, right? You need to be prepared in order to take your trade, right? Now, there was a ton of imbalance here, but, you know, the one that really was tradable was this one right here, which is the one that the Footsie came to play with. Right, I wasn't, and when I said I wasn't prepared, oh boy, I'm sorry about that. Nah, okay. I'm sorry about that. So I was talking about a ton of shit. All right. So first of all, I was talking about this pound USD short that currently running at a healthy profit. You know this one right here, the one we're trading, and this is the cool thing about this pound USD short, right? We just swept a major liquidity area right the fuck here, right there. So you have to right here. This used to be lick. And also, this. All of these weak players just got stopped out, and we got in with the big boys, with the big fucking boys. Right now, we only have these lows as major liquidity area that is waiting to get swept. So this is what I do. This is what I trade. I trade the long open. I find these spots, high probability spots. I take them, and I make money with them. So currently up about I don't know 20 pips or so. No more, 25 pips or so on my GBP USD shorts. I am holding the shit out of this trade. It's phenomenal. This is what I do. Don't be a fool. We have a ton ton of discounts for you guys. And if you don't want to take that, that free money, well, I can't do anything for you, right? Now, I'm gonna show everybody how fucking good I am. I mean, I'm not saying that I'm the best trader in the world, but it's going to be hard that you find someone that will outwork me when it comes to my trading. I work on my trading like surgeons work on their fucking skills, right? Day and fucking night, right there. That is what I do, right? That's why I'm comfortable taking, taking these spots, that people find to be find to be super speculative, but this is not speculative. This works because and I'm comfortable using these spots because um, I back tested the shit out of that. So I think I'm gonna take some off at the lows. I don't know, maybe. All right, so here we go. I'm just going to use this. Yeah, think of beauty, right? Very, very good trade. Actually, here, I'm gonna use this actually. Copy chart image. Yeah. So we up, baby, we up. I'm gonna move my stop losses here below these lows, below these highs. My original risk. Oh boy, I fucked up. I fucked up on my risk. I just realized that. Ah, I risked 0.3% instead of 0.5. All right, so I'm gonna take some off here. I'm gonna take half off here for 1 hour and move my stops to above the previous highs. You're welcome for the free money, guys. Taking here for 35 pips, half off for 35 pips. 0 point right now. You are all welcome for the free money, guys. You are all welcome for the free money. And I'm moving stop losses to the previous highs. Uh, 21.49, 1.2949. Right? Yeah. There you go. That's how I make money. Where the fuck have I been sending this? Oh shit, I sent the free signal on the crypto channel. Oh boy. Well, awesome. All right, so now, yeah, that was my bad. Well, fuck it. I'm gonna show everybody what we do, no matter what. Yeah. Whilst I do this, why don't you ask me a question about anything, guys? I need to watermark this. So gold just reacted very healthily to that zone. We might be able to we might be able to find some uh, good old good old trades here. All right. All right. 5 minutes, and I'm gonna hit replay here. This is what I want to show. All right. All right, guys. Hit me with a question. If not, I am going to move on, right? I mean, this is what I do this, for you to ask me questions. If you're not willing to do so, then I'm gonna be okay myself. I know what I'm doing, but you have no idea what I'm doing, so it's up to you, right? Mm. Pound, 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 pound. Wow, 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 pound, wow. I am just looking at this beautiful trade that I got in at the London Open. Oh my. Oh shit. But in order to watermark it, I need the black. This one. Uh-huh. Yes, I watermark everything because I'm tired of people stealing my shit. God damn it. Oh yeah. Beauty. Now, export project. So, you have any questions? Sri Lanka in the house. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna hunt for those golds. Let me just delete this alert. Yeah. Always delete your alerts because, oh boy, now we're talking. That was a good one. Now we're going to hunt for those gold shorts, maybe. Right now. Right the fuck now. Yes. We have that failure of the string high, guys. We got that liquidity swept, so now we are confirmed on gold shorts. That is what I was looking for. Let's have a fucking look about my fucking zones. Yes, the market is long-term bullish on GBP USD, mate. This was just a day trade. This was just a day trade. All right. So, all right, just a second, guys. I will be right back. I will be right back. I mean, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Well, yo, where you streaming from? From my house. Looking for 1822 gold shorts. Um, yeah, that's a little bit out of range for me today. I'm gonna actually go ahead and uh, all right, 1822. I don't know. It's a little bit out of range for a day trade for me. But let's have a look on the 50-minute chart. Yeah, 1822. Oh, I see. So you're looking for maybe not. Why don't we have a look at this? Right, 7 minute chart, 5 minute chart. Yeah, the 5 minute chart. Actually, you might be onto something. Yes, Victor Rajera. I will show you that right now. There's here. Here was my entry at the 1,000 pip trade that I'm still holding. At the 1 53 or 54 or 55. That was my entry. So, yeah, you might be onto something there, mate. Bird. Oh, yeah, you might be onto something here, man. Let's have a look. 1822. Oh, yes. You know what? Fuck this zone. You are correct, my fellow trader. Order block. You are fucking right. Well, we got ourselves a fucking trade. Yes, very good eye, mate. Very, very good eye. There you go. Very good eye. 1822. I would put my entries at the 1821.50 myself. Um, this is where I would trade the 1821.50 right at the bottom of my power entry zone. Stop losses above the highs. Risk to reward ratio is not the best. But you know what? Sometimes you're not going to find those 1 to 9, 1 to 10 R's. But this is good enough. A 3R, a 3.5 R. Actually, you know what? This might even run towards this area right here. So let's wait and see because you might be right. Yeah, I don't hate it. I don't hate it myself. You might be right. All right. So we made money on the pound USD. We are waiting for this gold. Um, is it possible to re-enter the GBP after trade after lower time frame breakout structure? I don't know. Why don't you show me your why don't you show me your yeah, your zone? I had the same zone drawn out for gold. Well, well, you know what? Well, it's alright if I call you Owo because Owabasi. I don't want to butcher your name. Yeah, I mean that's yeah, Fieldbird. Yeah, thank you for that, Fieldbird. Yeah, I was too zoomed in on the chart. Let's go and let's find some other trades, shall we? GBP USD. You know the yen pairs have been quite choppy at the bottom after that big ass move, right? But still, I mean, I just hate it. I use the fluid trades indicators you can find in TradingView. Had a lot of confluence this past month, especially higher time frames. Thanks for doing the live streams. Nice to trade with more people. Awesome, Fieldbird. That's amazing. What is let me see. I'm going to use I'm gonna put on another one of these. Oh boy. Settings, black and white. I hate color. I mean, I don't hate colors, but you know what I mean, right? I'll remove drawings. What's that indicator name? Let's have a look. Fluid what? Fluid trade. Yeah, I can't find it. Why don't give me the the indicator name? I sure am going to check it out. Now GBP USD inducement play out of the Asian session again. That was a good play. Asian session high, I guess. Asian session lows, I guess. You know, yeah. I wouldn't have taken this trade though. I'm not trading the Japanese yen is something that I'm not trading at the moment. Just because it has been such a range after that big move, right? I don't see an edge coming out of those markets. Fluid trades SMC light. All right, let's have a look at this. Oh, all right. Fluid trace SMC like, you know what, mate? I am going to check it out, but I am going to remove indicators. I need to work on the colors on my chart, and I'm going to check it out. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to work on those. Oh, this it looks beautiful, mate. Thank you, thanks a ton. Yeah, I mean, it's much better to have a an indicator. I always draw my zones by hand and by eye, but it's good to have an indicator to to compare with. Just to have validation on your zones. I'm still quite new at trading this, but I am profitable at trading it. Because I do put on the big work in my trading, like I told you. Right, so let's have a look at. I'm not trading any yen related pairs at the moment. The Sliva, nope. The Footsie, yeah, the Footsie. Everything has gone dead. But you know what? Why don't we find something out of the ordinary, right? Let's look at the hourly on BTC. What do you guys see here on the hourly on BTC? Why don't we play this fucking game? Yeah? Why don't we play this game? What do you guys see see on the hourly on BTC? Right? What I see, what I see, what I see is possible shorts. Right here. Yeah. What do you guys think? I don't know. I haven't back tested. I haven't back tested my entries on Bitcoin, right? Or on any any market, cryptocurrency market at all. But you know what? Let's try to work this fucking thing out, right? So, yeah, let's try to pow, right here. That's a big ass imbalance that we have here. Let's have a look. I might just send this to the. Yes, I am going to send it to the swing trading group. So this is not the best risk to reward ratio, but it is. It has all the checks on my entry model. That's a 3R, right, on Bitcoin shorts. What do you guys think? I don't know. I mean, I like it. This is the hourly chart in Bitcoin. Just have a look at this. I just needed. I'm gonna do the work on the on the pre on the pre what? On the pre-historic historic price action, right? So here we got that change of character in the market after that last sweep of the highs. Should be something like this. Yeah, something in this vicinity as a change of character, right, in the market. right? Uh, yeah, if you want to be exact, should have been this. After, no, actually, this is the change of character. I'm sorry. Why? Because we're looking at after that swing high or whatever. You know, the market has changed, has shifted to the bear side with a breaks of structure here. And we might get the possibility of an entry at the retest of the imbalance low. Yeah, I like it, man. I do enjoy this one. Yes, 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 yes. I'm possibly going to trade this one. And you know what? There is, in my opinion, there is still some untapped demand here at the bottom. If I'm not mistaken, should be. Hold on. Looking at the hourly, should be. Where is it? Well, you know what? You're just gonna have to trust me. But what do you guys think about? To which extent we could learn in the forex course? What forex course? Our forex course? You can't learn this in our forex course. Our forex course is very good, but um, it's technical analysis related. I am going to develop some kind of a I can't do it, right? I just can't develop an educational content based on something that I am so new at trading and I just finished back testing and started trading it live, right? Even though you're seeing profits, it's because of the work that I put on, but I can't do it. I just can't. I don't feel comfortable doing it, um, like my F1 strategy. That's another different thing that I feel very comfortable selling to you. But eventually, I am going to do it, so you're gonna have to wait. So I'm gonna send this to the Swing Trade VIP group. All right. I got an I got an oatmeal cookie piece on the wrong pipe. Oh, hold on. Let me place the let me place the order myself first, right? Uh, so I'm talking Bitcoin. On the hourly, let's see. I'm gonna place that order at the top, uh, right there at the bottom of that imbalance. 17, 21, 50, 17, 21. What? 17, 21, 5, 7. All right. Hold on. Let me calculate my position size. Oh, that was fun. So I'm gonna trade a 0.6% risk on this one too. I don't trade with high risks anymore. Also, guys, if you notice, my risk, I don't use a full 1% risk anymore. And the reason is because of the big risk to rewards that I get on my trades. There's no reason to have such a high risk per trade to be even more profitable than what I used to be trading. So there you go. Risk management comes first. So I'm gonna place this order. trading new order. BTC USD sell limit 17 15.70 17 5555. And I'm gonna target the lows of the move, of course, at the 16, around the 16 286, 16 280, 16 290, not too big greedy. 16 290. Place. Invalid what? Place. Ah. All right, let me figure this shit out. 17, I forgot a digit here. 17 2. 17 5. There you go. 92. Yeah, that's beauty. Think of beauty. All right, so I'm gonna send this to the free group too, so you can have an idea of what we do at on the swing trading group. All right, so yeah, sending the signal. Sending the signal. Sending the signal. Sell limit at the 17 to 15 17. And I mean, if you're not on the VIP swing trading group, and you're on the free group, or just the VIP group, you're going to get this signal too. Don't worry, I have the Christmas spirit in me. So this is a 3R, right? Nice 3R trade. Risk is 0.6%. 0.7, I think. 0.65. All right. Just hold on a second, guys. Shit. All right. There you go. Okay. Let me record I'm gonna record the video again. All right, any questions, guys? Any questions? I'll keep on calling. I mean, I'm not tired. Are you fucking tired? If you're fucking tired, well, I don't know what to tell you, but this is something good. I'm gonna record the video, send it everywhere. All right, everybody. We have a swing trade in the sun. Brewing, very good, very good. So basically, this is the Bitcoin USD 1 hour chart. I am going to trade, with a change of character in this market. Pretty nice setup. This is a 1, 2, 3 slam dunk, like the GBP USD that we took this morning. But the difference is that this is on the higher time frame, so we might have to wait a little bit. Now, what I see here is the market changing its character to the bear side. First step. Second step, We do have that break of the structure, confirming said change of character. Third, step number 3, identifying my imbalance zones and my supply zones. Step number 4, waiting for price to create that liquidity, sell side liquidity. This means that I'm just waiting for these weak players to get stopped out. Boom. And then when these weak players get stopped out, I will be triggered in, and the real move to the downside might continue. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change my short TPs to the 15700 because this is an untapped area of. I'm eyeballing it, right? I'm eyeballing it, but this is an untapped area of demand that I'm targeting, right? It would be foolish to target the lows of the moves because this is again just liquidity, waiting for confirmation on the break of the structure again to the downside. Boom. So there you go. We have a 4.6 R in our hands, and yeah, let's wait for that swing trade to evolve or develop. Uh, right, so to me, oh boy, it's time for my, you know, that, my friends, is, my glucose machine reminded me that I need to take my glucose readings. So wait a second. What? Fuck you. There you go. Blood. And I am, I'm a little bit high, but that's fine. I need to take my meds. Right, so there you go. I'm changing my TP on those Bitcoin shorts to the 15700. Yeah, so now we have a 4 point what? 4.5 R. I'm gonna call it 4.5 R. $15,700. All right. I'm going to alert everybody. And I'm going to send that thought process to everybody too. I don't know which one is it. I think this is the one. Yes. Oh boy. And all right. There you fucking go. Let's keep on keeping on, or do I log out? Please respond, guys, because if you don't, I will log out. Um, I will log out. For a what? Uh, Keep on keeping on. All right, sauce production, I will. My man, the sauce production. All right, so let's have a look. The pound broke with that liquidity. Yo, that's a good one. Yes, I'm gonna take more off around this key level right here. I'm gonna take more off around this key level. Moving my stop losses to break even now. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop losses to break even. And the trade is running at what? GBP USD. At 50 pips. You know what? I'm gonna take some more off here. I'm gonna take 60% of the remaining. You know what? I'm not gonna take shit. I'm gonna let it ride. This is at 1R. I mean, my trade is running at 1R, meaning that it's running at even with all right. Let me. Here we are running at a 1R because we already took profits, right? This means that my trade is running in profits what I originally risked, and I am only trading with half of my original entry, which means that I'm running at a 2R at the moment on my original risk. My stop losses are break even, nevertheless. You know what? I'm gonna take my full profits here. Thinking about it, I don't wanna. Yeah, I'm taking my full profits here at 1% or at 1R or 50 pips. There you go. We made money. I made money. You made money. Boom. You know. I like it. That was a great short play on the pound USD. Don't be a fool, man. Trade with me every day. For 1R. 1R. All right. There you go. We made money. I made money. Everybody made money, and I'm very, very nicely in a profits today. And yeah, 50 pips. It's good enough. Ooh, you know what? I have to log out. Uh huh. All right, so yeah. You're welcome, mate. You're welcome, Fleabird. Which, please, other trade, please, which other trade do you call a side GU? Well, that, my friend, is my red flag to get the fuck out of here. If you want more of my trades, just subscribe to my fucking VIP channel. Cheers, everybody.